The human digestive system. The human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of the digestion. For example, the tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and the gallbladder. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The process of digestion has three stages. The first stage is the cephalic phase of digestion, which begins with gastric secretions in response to the sight and smell of food. The stages include the mechanical breakdown of food by chewing and the chemical breakdown by digestive enzymes that takes place in the mouth. Phases include digestion, movement, mechanical and chemical digestion, absorption, elimination. And next, the digestion types: mechanical, physical, consists of chew, cheer, grind, mash, mix. And the chemical types are enzymatic reactions to improve digestion, carbohydrates and proteins and lipids. Digestion system organization: gastrointestinal tract, tube within a tube, direct link, pairs or between organs, structures: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. Salivary contains digestive enzymes called amylase and lingual lipase, secreted by the salivary glands and serous glands on the tongue. The enzymes start to break down the food in the mouth. Chewing in which the food is mixed with saliva begins the mechanical process of digestion. This produces a bowel which can be swallowed down the esophagus to enter the stomach in the stomach. Uh, in the stomach, the gastric phases in the digestion takes place. The food is further broken down by mixing with gastric acid until it passes into the duodenum. In the third intestine phase of digestion, where it is mixed with a number of enzymes produced by the pancreas. Digestion is helped by the chewing of food carried out by the muscles of mastication, the tongue and the teeth, and also by the contractions of peristalsis and the segmentation gastric acid and the production of mucus in the stomach, essential for the continuation of digestion. Peristalsis is a rhythmic contraction of muscles that begins in the esophagus and continues along the wall of the stomach and the rest of the gastrointestinal tract. This initially results in the production of chyme, which, when fully broken down in the small intestine, is absorbed as a chyle into the lymphatic system. Most of the digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Water and some minerals are reabsorbed back into the blood in the colon of the large intestine. The waste products of digestion are defecated from the anus via the rectum. The mouth, for example, the mouth are our first digestion organs. The mouth consists of our mouth. Cheese mechanical breakdown food into small pieces. Tangy mixed food with salt contains amylase, which helps break down starch. Epiglottis is a flap-like structure at the back of the throat that glosses over the trachea, preventing food from the internal eat. Tengu, anatomy of the tengu. The tengu consists of epiglottis, portopharyngeal arc, palatine tonsil, lingual tonsil, portoglossal arc, sulcus terminals, dorsum of tengu, circumvallate papillum, and there is a field-form papillate, and there is a fangiform papillum. Next, what is the difference in the structure between a younger person's tengu and an older person's tengu? How does this affect their sense of tasting? For example, a younger person has more taste buds than an older person, about 2 times as much. The reason for this is because a person gets older, the taste cells don't get replaced like they do when you are younger. Esophagus, approximately 10 long, function include secrete, first one secrete mucus, second one moves food from the throat to the stomach using muscle movement called peristalsis. If acid from the stomach gets in there, that's heartburn. Second one, stomach. Stomach, D-shaped muscular bag that stores the food you eat, breaks it down into the tiny pieces. Second one, mixes foods with digestive juices that contain enzymes to break down proteins and lipids. Acid in the stomach kills bacteria. Food found in the stomach it colored to them it called them cheating. And the second one, sorry, small intestine. Small intestines are roughly 7 meters long. There is a small intestine. Lining of the intestine walls has hinge-like projections called villi to increase surface area. The villi are covered in microvilli, which further increases surface area for absorption. Second one, small intestine. Nutrients from the food pass into the bloodstream through the small intestine walls, absorbs 80% ingested water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, which secreted the digestive enzymes. Large intestine, there is a you can say large intestine, about 5 feet long, accepts what small intestine don't absorb. Rectum short-term store which holds feces before it is expelled. Functions: bacterial digestion, ferment carbohydrates, protein breakdowns, absorb more water, concentrate wastes. Accessory organs. Accessory organs, not part of the parts of food but play a critical role, include liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. And liver, there is a liver, directly affects digestion by producing bile, helps emulsify fat, filters out toxins and waste, including drugs and alcohol. Gallbladder, there is gallbladder, stores bile from the liver, releases it into the small intestine. Fatty diets can cause gallstones. Pancreas, there is a pancreas, pancreas structure. The pancreas consists of four types. Second one consists of head, neck, and body and tail. Produces digestive enzymes to digest fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Regulates blood sugar by producing insulin. Thanks for your attention.